What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. I know I've been a little MIA for a little bit, just haven't really had anything to really record. I don't really want to put out just random videos. I've never really done that the whole time that I've been doing YouTube or whatever. I kind of do videos of like things that I actually do to the car and stuff like that, not just random things. But yeah, anyways, the time has finally come. If you guys have been here for a little while, you guys know that I've been talking about this for so long. I've been wanting to get these wheels redone. When I first got the car, you guys know that the front one has a little like dent right there. This one, well, I'll take a little story right now, but this one is supposed to be on the other side. I got it switched, but this one's kind of messed up. You guys can see everything right there. That lug bolts got stuck in there, couldn't take it out whatsoever. They had to torch it, kind of messed up the rim. This other side has curb rash. Let me see if I can show you guys. The wheels are pretty dirty, so you can't tell. Okay, yes, you guys can tell, definitely tell. This wheel has curb rash, and yeah, I really want to get it redone already. This one has a little chip right there too. I'm not gonna tell you guys what color we're doing yet. You guys are gonna have to wait till the end of the video. Don't skip forward though. Don't skip forward yet. You guys will see soon. I'm not gonna make this video super long, but yeah, I'm pretty sure most of you guys, if not all of you guys, know who Bulletproof Coating is. I'm gonna go ahead and leave their Instagram right here. That's who everybody goes to get their wheels powder coated. I know Fresh Kiss has gone, Finding Nick has gone, Low Tech has gone, all of them have gone, and I actually have a buddy who went too. And you know, the results are there. I'm really excited to get them redone, and yeah, so obviously I need wheels on the car if I need to take these off to go get them done. So my brother actually let me borrow some of his wheels. He has like 5 sets of wheels just chilling in his storage, so he let me borrow one of these. I don't even think I'm gonna move the car. I'm probably just gonna put them on and leave them on there, but yeah. So quick little story, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know already, but this past weekend, 4th of July weekend, I actually went out to Fresno and I got stranded, guys. My wheel freaking blew out, and there was no tire shops open because of 4th of July, and I was like in the middle of nowhere. I'm from SoCal, I'm from that IE area, so being out in Fresno, I have no idea where I'm at. And yeah, I was kind of worried, but I had to get my car towed to my girl's family's house, and then I had to wait till the next day to actually get tires, but nobody actually had tires, so I had to get these 285s just to make it home. I might be picking up some 305s tomorrow if the guy doesn't lag. So anyways guys, let me go ahead and take these wheels off real quick. We'll throw on the other wheels that I just showed you guys, and we'll see how it looks. So ready guys, let's go. By the way guys, I just want to give a huge thank you to everybody who actually did reach out when you guys saw my post. I'll go ahead and leave the post right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But a lot of you guys actually did reach out and ask what happened and if everything was good. So thank you to everybody who actually reached out. Now you guys kind of know what happened. I didn't want to just freaking hit everybody up and be like, oh, my tire blew out, my tire blew out, my tire blew out. Even though I did hit up a good amount of people, but yeah, now you guys know what happened. Anyways, let's get back into it. All right guys, just like that. Ooh, fireworks still. Just like that, new wheels on the M5. This is the new wheel setup. I think it looks a lot better. This is what we're rocking with. Super thick, super wide. Let me know what you guys think. No, I'm just kidding. These I have 10mm spacers or 12mm spacers. These things like barely clear. Like you can probably feel like a credit card in there. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna drive the car. I'm gonna try not to, at least, unless I really have to. But yeah guys, I'll pick up the camera tomorrow morning when I go drop off the wheels. I'm gonna just drop them off, and then after that I'll probably pick up the camera again once they're ready. So without further ado guys, stay tuned and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace. Alright guys, we got the wheels back here. We're not bulletproof, as you guys can tell. So I'm about to drop off the wheels right now, and then should be ready in a few days. Go ahead and bring them back. I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly what color I'm doing yet. You guys just have to wait for that. But yeah, I'm about to meet up with them right now and drop them off. All right guys, so we just dropped off the wheels this morning. I didn't really record too much there, just what I told you guys. But if you do remember earlier in this video, I did mention that I needed new tires because of what happened in Fresno and stuff. And I've been wanting to get wider tires, and check this out guys. Oh my god, they are used, but they have really good thread still. They are Michelin Cup 2s. I've never used these tires before, but I've heard really good things of them, and I know a lot of people use them at the track, so they should be really good for traction. You guys know that's kind of something you need with the M5. But yeah, They are 305 30/20s. They're gonna be for the rear, obviously. And yeah, I'm super excited to put them on. I have to drop them off to Bulletproof tomorrow, probably tomorrow morning. I'll drop them off and then they'll have them ready to put them back on whenever the wheels are done. But yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit better when we do get home. But oh my god, these tires are so thick and they look super dope too. I don't think you guys can really see it that good, but yeah, barely fits in the car, too, in the trunk. You guys can see how much this one's sticking out. But yeah guys, I'll pick up the camera again once we do get home. Just wanted to show you guys real quick, we did get new tires for the rear. All right guys, we got the tires, Sport Cup 2s. We just about to drop them off to Bulletproof, and then probably gonna take back my 285s, hopefully try to sell them, get my money back for those, and then yeah, you guys won't see anything again until the wheels are officially done, mounted, and everything is just done. So yeah, I will see you guys once we pick up the wheels. What's up guys? So it's officially the day to pick up the wheels. They hit me up yesterday, told me they were ready. So it is now the day. I'm about to go pick them up right now. As you guys can tell, it's it's about 9:24 a.m. I'm about to head over there. I'll probably get there around 10 or so. So yeah, don't skip forward guys. You guys will see the wheels in the next minute or so, probably less. Yeah, I'm gonna just go pick them up real quick and then head straight back home. I couldn't bring the truck today, so hopefully everything fits nicely in here. Probably one in the trunk, two in the back, and then one in the driver's seat. We'll see. I just don't want to overlap them and get them scratched or anything. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and like I said, don't skip forward. We about to see the wheels. All right guys, excuse how abandoned and dirty my car looks. I haven't used this since I did take off the wheels. But yeah, it's finally time to take these off. I know a lot of people do not like these. A few people did, but a lot of people did not like these. And I decided to show you guys before I actually put them on, so I can really show you guys like the details and stuff of the wheels, because they came out super nice guys. But yeah, let me go and show you guys real quick. I did decide to go with the gloss black. I wanted to go with like something metallic. I was thinking of like a metallic gloss black, but I couldn't really find any like good pictures of how they look. And some people were saying that they look kind of like gray in certain lighting and stuff, and I think I just wanted to go black. So at the time that I was choosing my color, they had posted a lot of wheels that they did gloss black, and they just look super clean. So that's what I decided to go with. You guys can see how they look. You can see the details of everything that they do. Like we come out to the back, you guys can see how they don't like powder coat this part for whatever reason. I don't know if it's for a specific reason or what, but I think it looks a lot cleaner like that, a lot more OEM, you can say. But yeah, everything back here, the whole barrel powder coated, everything was powder coated, and it looks super sick. And they also went ahead and ceramic coated them. I did have to pay for it, but yeah, I ceramic coated them to help further protect the wheel. But yeah, you can see how nice they all came out. Gloss black was definitely the move. I really did like the matte black, but I feel like they just get dirty way too quick, and they just look a lot dirtier. So yeah, these should look cool. Let me go ahead and throw them on real quick, and we'll see how they look on the car. All right guys, I officially put the wheels on, and check it out dude. Oh my god, these things look so sick. I know it's not a huge difference guys. Before it was matte black or satin black, now it's gloss black, but I promise you it made a huge difference. It just looks so good, looks so much better. And I don't have curb rash anymore. I don't have anything anymore. They fixed the curb rash, they fixed the little scuff that I had on there, they fixed the rear wheel that was super messed up. Everything looks super nice. It came out really good. The gloss finish looks amazing. I need to get the new little M badges. I kind of want to get the floating center caps. Maybe all that will be coming in the near future. Let me know what you guys think about changing the caliper color. My girl actually really likes the blue, but I don't know, I kind of want to change it. She doesn't want me to change it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the caliper color. I do think it looks a little silly having the red Brembo brake pads with the blue calipers, but yeah, it looks like a little Spider-Man. But yeah guys, I really like the way it came out with the gloss wheels, and I am running now Pilot Sport Cup 2s. And if we check right here, I know it's upside down, but it's 305 30/20s. I'm now running 305s on these wheels. You guys can see the way they fit. It looks super sick. It bulges out a little bit, and I think it looks really nice. I did take off the 12mm spacer. This is how it fits with no spacer at all. It can come out a tiny bit more, but for the most part, the fitment looks pretty cool like that. Let me see if you guys show you guys a little bit better over here. The fitment does not look bad at all with no spacers, so I think I'm gonna run it like that. But yeah guys, I did get them ceramic coated as well. so it should be a lot easier to keep them clean. Hopefully I didn't drag this video out too long. I know it might not look that good right now just because the car's like super dirty, because I haven't driven it since I did take off the wheels and stuff, and yeah, I haven't moved it at all, so it is like super dirty. It looks abandoned, but oh my god, I'm super hyped with the way the wheels came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what color you guys thought I did the wheels before you actually saw them, obviously. But dude, this looks so sick. I'm super hyped with the way they came out. Way bigger news coming with the car next month, guys. A huge announcement coming next month, guys, around August 11th, August 12th. Huge announcement coming for the car. Stay tuned for that. I think a lot of you guys can be hyped about that. My headlights have been getting a little yellow because of the sun. I'm thinking about trying to restore these. Let me know if you guys want a video on that, or if I should just do it off camera. You guys can see they are getting a little yellow. I feel like you can see a little more from the side. If you guys would like a video on that, just see how well they come out, let me know in the comments below. If not, it's all good. I'll just do it off camera. It'll be easier anyways. But yeah, guys, with all that being said, I hope you guys did like today's video. I'm just super hyped that all the curb rash and everything is gone, and with the black wheels, I think it looks so much better. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you did like today's video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Sorry that I've been gone for so long. It's just hard making videos, and I personally just don't want to make random videos of like random things that I do, whatever. I want to actually make videos that I would enjoy watching myself, and I want to make sure they're about the car and not just random things, like I said. But yeah, if there's anything you guys would like to see, any different type of videos or anything you guys would like to see, let me know in the comment section below. I'll go ahead and give it a try, see if you guys like it. And yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys did like today's video once again, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.